In this extension, you will select a different template for your resume and personalize it by making advanced formatting changes. You will change the font, style, color, and size of the text, adjust page margins, and update table properties. To start, open the template gallery in Google Docs. Select the resume template on screen. Rename the document with your name, the Word resume, and a short description, like version 2. In this template, the information in each section is organized in a table with transparent borders. Change the line weight and border colors so you can see the template layout. You'll make them invisible again later. Update each section of the new resume template with information from your original resume. Use 2 separate browser windows. If any sections of the template are different from your original resume, fill them out or delete them. In this template, there are sections for projects and languages. Include 1 or 2 projects you completed for school, clubs, or work that are related to the position or program you're applying for. If you speak any additional languages, briefly describe your level of fluency. Next, try some different ways to format your template. Change the font, choose a font that is easy to read. Think about the impression you want to make. Not all fonts are ideal for a resume. Change the text size to make it easier to read. Next, format the section headings. Change the font to match your name. Change the size if you'd like. Then, update heading 1 to match. This updates all the section headings in your document, so you don't have to change each one. Follow the same steps to update the other heading styles in your template. If your resume is more than one page, make more formatting changes. To adjust the line spacing and or remove spaces around the paragraphs to achieve the right look. You could also adjust the table column width. Or adjust the page margins. Then, change the text colors of your name and the section headings. Choose something easy to read. Finally, make the borders invisible. Nice work! Now you can tailor your resume for different positions or opportunities. Now, it's your turn. Select a new resume template, make the table borders visible, add your information to the new resume, experiment with formatting changes, and remove the table borders.